My name is Jason Graham. I own a shop in Portland, Tennessee. It's named Jason Graham Hot Rods. We've been in business full-time since 2004. I've been building cars since I was 13. Wizards is just as good in quality of their products, but the reason that we stay with them, number one, is the support that we get. We really like the big throw polisher. It was been a learning curve to switch from a rotary, because that's what we've done for years. Give it some time and really play with it, and you'd really like the big throw polisher with the microfiber pads, all the way down to even applying the wax with it. It really works good.